Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech, the go-to channel for all your tech needs. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you, a step-by-step guide on how to use the Bing AI image creator. That's right, Bing is not just a search engine, it's got some cool AI tricks up its sleeve. Slide 1, Opening Shot. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to Jhuxtello iTech and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our tech-tastic content. Now, let's jump right into it. Slide 2, Bing AI Image Creator Overview. So, what exactly is the Bing AI Image Creator? It's a powerful tool that harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to generate stunning images based on your input. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or just someone looking to add a creative flair to your projects, this tool is for you. Slide 3, Accessing Bing AI Image Creator. To get started, head over to Bing's official website. Once you're there, look for the More option in the navigation bar, and you'll find the Image Creator under the AI and Tech section. Click on it, and let the creativity begin. Slide 4, Interface Walkthrough. The interface is user-friendly and straightforward. On the left, you'll find options to customize your image, and on the right, a preview of what your creation will look like. Play around with settings like style, color palette, and composition until you find the perfect combination for your project. Slide 5, Uploading your own image. Want to give Bing AI a head start? You can upload your own image as a reference. Simply click on the Upload button, select your image, and let Bing's AI analyze and interpret it for your unique creation. Slide 6, Style and Color Palette Options. Now, let's talk about style and color palette options. Bing AI Image Creator offers a variety of styles inspired by famous artists and art movements. Experiment with different styles and color palettes to find the one that suits your vision. Slide 7, Composition and Layout. Once you've nailed down your style, it's time to fine-tune the composition and layout. Use the sliders to adjust elements like focal points, symmetry, and balance. This is where the real magic happens, turning your idea into a visually stunning reality. Slide 8, Preview and Download. Feeling satisfied with your masterpiece? Hit the preview button to get a final look at your image. If everything looks fantastic, click Download to save your creation to your device. Slide 9, Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use the Bing AI Image Creator. Unleash your creativity and let your imagination run wild with this incredible tool. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below with your thoughts. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to Jhuxtello iTech. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep creating.